plate tectonics test. Number 1. The map shows some of Earth's plate tectonic boundaries. Based on the map, volcanic activity would most likely be found at A. Location W, B. Location X, C. Location Y, or D. Location Z. Number 2. The map below shows the locations of 4 active volcanoes in the Caribbean Sea. What do these volcanoes indicate about plate tectonics in the region? A. The volcanoes form an island arc, indicating a converging plate boundary. B. The volcanoes form a line, indicating a diverging plate boundary. C. 2 plates are moving past each other, causing faulting and magma formation. Or D. 2 plates are moving apart, creating new seafloor. Number 3. Rift valleys can form when fractures in Earth's crust widen. The valley walls slowly move at a rate of only a few millimeters a year. Which of these best describes the type of tectonic activity that forms rift valleys? A. Rift valleys form where a continental plate moves under an oceanic plate. B. Rift valleys form where a plate slides horizontally past another plate. C. Rift valleys form where 2 plates move away from each other. Or D. Rift valleys form where an oceanic plate moves under another oceanic plate. Number 4. The image shows a plate boundary. Arrows have been added to indicate the movement of the plates. What plate boundary feature is also shown? A. A ridge formed in an inactive convergent boundary. B. A valley forming at an active divergent boundary. C. A fault forming at an active transform boundary. Or D. A volcano formed by an active transform boundary. Number 5. The San Andreas Fault is a transform fault. The map below shows a student's approximation of where the fault line crosses through the United States. Students were asked to make maps predicting which way land would most likely move over thousands of years. Which map best predicts the likely movement of land along the fault line over thousands of years? A. Movement toward the east. B. Mountain building. C. Spreading along the fault line. Or D. Movement along the fault line. Number 6. The photograph shows mountains in the Andes Range in South America. Which statement best describes the geologic process that is most likely responsible for the formation of these mountains? A. They are along a transform plate boundary that is no longer active, so erosion is creating deep valleys. B. They are along a transform plate boundary in which plates are currently moving side by side, causing earthquakes and faults. C. They are along a plate boundary in which plates are currently converging, causing uplift and steep slopes. Or D. They are along a plate boundary in which plates diverged in the distant past, allowing new rock to build up. Number 7. A mid-ocean ridge is located at the boundary of 2 tectonic plates. Which diagram correctly models the relative plate motion on each side of a mid-ocean ridge? Number 8. A mid-ocean ridge separates the Pacific Plate and the Nazca Plate off the western coast of South America. Which statement best describes the relative motions of the Pacific and Nazca plates? A. The Pacific and Nazca plates are both moving to the east. B. The Pacific and Nazca plates are both moving to the west. C. The Pacific plate is moving to the west and the Nazca plate is moving to the east. Or D. The Pacific plate is moving to the east and the Nazca plate is moving to the west. Number 9. Which statement accurately describes the atoms of a specific element? A. An indium In atom contains 115 protons inside the nucleus and 49 neutrons outside the nucleus. B. A scandium Sc atom contains 45 electrons outside the nucleus and 21 neutrons inside the nucleus. C. An aluminum Al atom contains 27 electrons and 27 protons inside the nucleus. Or D. A zinc Zn atom contains 30 protons inside the nucleus and 30 electrons outside the nucleus. Number 10. 4 boxes are sliding with instant speed before each box experiences an unbalanced force of 8 neutrons. Which box would experience the greatest acceleration when the unbalanced force is applied? A. The box with a mass of 2 kilograms. B. The box with a mass of 4 kilograms. C. The box with a mass of 6 kilograms. Or D. The box with a mass of 8 kilograms.